Let's go to page 93, and this is section 7.2. This lesson is on manipulations. So, for example, if you have an x plus 1 over x equal to 1, and you're looking for x cubed plus 1 over x to the 3 equal to question mark. Okay. So without special technique, you need to go and multiply everything by x, make into quadratic formula, and use quadratic formula to quadratic equation, and use quadratic formula to solve for x. And then after that, you have to cube each one, and you have to put 1 over that, and it's going to be a mess. Okay. So the way to do that is you can go and just cube that, and so keep the original so you can use that to look. So x plus 1 over x equal to 1, and you want to cube both sides. Okay. And by using the expansion, you're going to get x cubed plus 3 x squared times 1 over x plus 3 times x 1 over x squared plus 1 over x cubed equal to 1. And you can go and simplify a little bit. Okay, so make sure you know how to do the expansion. So you got x cubed plus 3x plus 3 over 3 times 1 over x. Okay, so there are 2 of these, and then plus 1 over x cubed equal to 1. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to group this together because that's what we're looking for. Okay, and this one over here I can factor out of 3, so I got x plus 1 over x equal to 1. And from here, notice we have this, right? X plus 1 over x equal to 1. So you have x cubed plus 1 over x cubed plus 3 equal to 1. So you're minus 3. So you got x cubed plus 1 over x cubed equal to negative 2. Okay. So that's how you're able to do it without actually solving for x itself. Okay, so let's do some example. Let's go to example 7-4. Okay, you have a plus b equal to 1, a squared plus b squared equal to 2, and you're looking for a to the 4 plus b to the 4. So what you want to do, you want to leave this alone, don't touch that, okay, so you can have something to look at. Now to get that, okay, when you square this, you're going to get a middle term. To evaluate the middle term, you need to get these. I'm going to square these. So a plus b equal to 1, and I'm going to square both sides. Okay, so I get a squared plus b squared plus 2ab equal to 1, and a squared plus b squared from here is equal to 2. Okay, so substitute, so you got 2 plus 2ab equal to 1. So 2ab equal to negative 1. So ab equal to negative 1/2. Okay, so keep that. So you're going to need that later on. So from here, again, I'm going to square that to get that, right? So a squared plus b squared equal to 2. Right? I can copy that. Don't touch that. Leave it alone so you don't lose track. Square that. Okay. Square both sides. So I got a to the 4 plus b to the 4 plus the middle term 2a squared b squared equal to 4. And so to get that, okay, so this is going to be equal to 2 times, so a squared b squared is the negative 1/2 square. Okay. So that's your a times b. So square give you 8. So this is your a squared b squared. So a up to the 4. So a to the 4 plus b to the 4. So this would be 1/2. Okay. So again, when you square it, you get 1 over 4. 1 over 4 times 2 give you 1 over 2. Then you subtract. So a to the 4 plus b to the 4 equal to 7 over 2. Okay, let's go to example 7-5. You have x plus 1 over x equal to 3, and you're looking for x to the 6 plus 1 over x to the 6 equal to question mark. Okay, so to get from here to here, you don't want to raise to 6 power right away. So what you want to do, you want to square that and you cube that afterward. Okay, so let's do that. So x plus 1 over x equal to 3. Right, copy that. Again, leave that alone so you don't lose track. So you square both sides. So you're going to get x squared plus 1 over x squared. And the middle term would be, this times that is 1 times 2. A square will give you plus 1 equal to 9. So x squared plus 1 over x squared equal to 8. Okay. And now to get from here to here, I'm going to cube both sides. Okay. So that's going to cube both sides. Oh wait, plus 2. This is 2 times that. So this would be a 7. Yeah, the middle term is 2 times this times that, so it would be a 2, not 1. Okay, so this would be a 7. Okay, now we're going to cube both sides. I can leave that alone, so we can have something to look at. And we're going to cube both sides. Okay, so when you cube, you're going to have x squared to the 3 plus 3 times the x squared squared times 1 over x squared. Right, that's your binomial expansion. So times 3 to the 3 times x squared 1 over x squared squared plus 1 over x squared to the 3 power equal to okay, so that's going to multiply out. Okay, so you get 343. Okay, so now let's go and work this thing out. So you got x to the 6th power plus, okay, so this would be 3x squared. So do this carefully, plus 3 times 1 over x squared plus 1 over x to the 6 equal to 343. Okay, and again, notice we can gather these, right? So this and this is what we're looking for. This one we can factor out of 3. So we got x squared plus 1 over x squared equal to 343. And this from here, we can see that it's equal to 7. Okay, so x to the 6 plus 1 over x to the 6 plus 3 times 7 equal to 343. So minus 21 on both sides. So you got x to the 6 plus 1 over x to the 6 is equal to 322. Okay. So this is a pretty interesting technique. Okay. Okay, let's go to example 7-6. It says 1 over a plus 1 over b. Okay, if a plus b equal to 6 and a b equal to 3. So sometimes you have to undo the fractions, sometimes you have to combine them. So if you go ahead and make into common denominator, okay, so you're going to get b plus a. And in this case, you can see that you'll have that, right? So this is equal to 6 over 3, and so this is equal to 2. Okay, so this one is not too bad.